Okay, page 1 is review. You should already know what these terms refer to, but let's go through it together on this image. On the top there, we have an image of a cell, and inside the cell, the central location where most of our DNA is located is called the nucleus. Inside the nucleus, you'll see those X shapes. Those X shapes are our chromosomes. And inside those chromosomes is all of our DNA. If I asked you what do we call a specific segment, just a segment of DNA, that would be a gene. And then lastly, inside the center of DNA, we have our base pairs A, T, G, and C. The 4 nucleotide base pairs, you should practice saying these with me. Cytosine, guanine, thymine, and adenine. They all say "ine" at the end. You should also need to memorize that A pairs with T, C pairs with G. I always just remember at, all right? If you remember A pairs with T by process of elimination, you're going to remember that G must pair with C. We're going to practice doing some decoding. This is just kind of a warm-up for what you're going to be seeing with protein synthesis in high school. But for now, we're just going to do something simple with translating nucleotides into letters in the alphabet. So Granny has a code for us. Right? On the left side there, I have AAA, AAC, AAG, AAT, and those translate into a specific letter in the alphabet. So you see at the bottom right there that Granny has a message. I want you to try to think to yourself, what is Granny's message? Well, AAC stands for B, AAA stands for A, and AAT stands for D. So Granny is telling us bad. This next one I want you to try to do on your own. Here's Granny. Hopefully you figured out that Granny's message is poop. Okay. You're going to do your own translation of a full sentence or idiom on your own. You'll see that I'm using A, T, G, and C, 3 of them, to represent a letter in an alphabet. I want you to pay attention to the bottom right where you see TTG stands for space and TTT stands for period. You're going to be using that. There's your message, and then there's in red, there's your message that you're translating. Should be several words, and then you're answering some questions on number 2 there about that message. If you have any questions, Canvas message us. Otherwise, good luck.